Hello everyone, welcome to Create Source Code. So in this video we will going to discuss about lambda expression, then history of lambda expression, how we can implement lambda expression in Java, and some practical example to understand lambda expression in more clearly. So let's get started. So let's begin with history. Lambda expression basically came from mathematical word, was introduced in 1930. Then slowly lambda expression start using in programming language, and Lisp is a first programming language which use the lambda expression. Basically it's very old programming language, and was introduced in around I think in 1958. Then other languages also using lambda expression like C Sharp, .NET, C, C++, Ruby, etc. Then after that, finally Java also introduced that lambda expression in Java 8 version. Okay, so let's understand what is lambda expression. Okay, lambda expression basically a anonymous function, that means function which does not have name, return type, or any access modifier. Okay, lambda expression also known as anonymous function or closure. So let's first see the example which is given here. Like this is a normal Java method like m1, and inside that we have print the hello. But in lambda expression, how we can write this function? Because in lambda expression which is nameless function, don't have return type and all. Okay, so in lambda expression first we have to write circular bracket for an arrow sign to denote. Arrow sign basically is used to denote that lambda expression, and then sop hello. Then also in these three way we can write the same function. Like here also we can write in a single line, and also we can remove that curly braces also. Fine. In example 2 also, suppose we are adding two number, then we can write in this manner. Fine. And suppose if we don't want to define any type of this variable, then also the compiler will automatically understand the type of this variable. Okay, so we can remove that type also. And also I have given conclusion. In conclusion, just basically important points of lambda expression I have mentioned here. Fine. So that's all about theoretical part. So let's get started with practical. Okay, so here is my IntelliJ. Okay, so lambda function I have already created the package. Let me create the class. Example 1. Fine. So let me create one interface also, and why I'm creating that interface I will explain this stuff in upcoming video. Okay, for now just understand we have to use the interface for lambda expression. Okay, so let me create interface. Calculate, and in calculate I will define some abstract method sum, and it will accept two variable, int a and int b. And so let's start with our main class. So here to run our program, as you know, we have to write the main method. So inside the main method, suppose I have to use the lambda expression like calculate c, and what we can write, I will accept two input, which is int a, int b. Actually what I am doing here, I am just implementing this abstract method in my example 1 class using the lambda function. Fine. So I have taken the two input A and input B. Then after let me put lambda expression, then curly braces, and written A plus B. So here I am uh, calculating the addition. I am doing the addition of two number. Fine. Let me give the terminator, then let me call our sum method. So first put this I have to put that calculated data in some variable or result. So here is my result, and c dot sum, and I have to give some input like 1 and 3. Okay, let me write system dot out dot println result. Okay, so it should written 4. Let me check. So here it reading the sum of these two numbers. Fine. So let's go to that example. What I have explained, like we can put in all this stuff in a single line, and we can remove the curly braces. So let me do that also. This went to a single line, and let me remove this curly braces. Here it should work. I have removed. Okay, but what is happening here, because this is not a void method, this is a we can say is a we have to return some value, so curly braces is required. Okay, so then it will work fine. But in example 3, as I have explained, that we don't require the type of our input type. Whatever input we are giving, we don't have to describe our type here, and also written type also not required. So let me remove that also. Okay, let me remove this curly braces also, because right now there is no use of this. Okay, let me run that. Okay, so answer is 4. So yeah, I hope you have understand this example. What we are doing, we just implementing our interface using the lambda expression, where in a very simple manner. So suppose if suppose we don't have to use lambda function, then we have to write to implement the interface, then we have to give the body to that method. So all this stuff we will going to do the next video. In this video I will is just main motive behind this video to make you understand how the lambda expression work. I hope you have understood. If you have any question, you can put in the comment. I will definitely reply on your question. Okay, so that's it from my side. I hope you understand this is lambda function. Okay, thank you.